Hello everyone, Impulse Technology is organizing 2 days hands-on training program on atomistics, material and device simulations. So you can invite this event to your network, friend, colleagues, student, professors, and those who will join this program, you will get some commissions. So you have got this link from the email or WhatsApp or social media. You can become affiliate of our program. So this link, once you got it, then you can create your account by giving your first name, last name, email ID, and create your password and confirm your password and agree the term and condition. You will get the verification email in your inbox. If in inbox, then you can also check your spam folder. Sometime mail goes to spam. So you can verify your email address and you can sign up your account. I already created my account, so I want to sign in directly. I click on this sign in page. Here, let's say an example. This is my email address that I created the account on this portal, and I want to give the password. This is my password name, and I can log in my account. Once you log in your account, then this is your dashboard where you can fill your dashboard detail. You can directly go to this affiliate where you will get the link which you can promote along your network. So you can copy this affiliate link and promote it. You can share with your friends, colleagues, and they can sign up. They can purchase the event ticket, then you will get some commissions. So if you want to mention the coupon code, there is a coupon code nanodecal 20. Once you will mention this code, then you will get a 20% discount on this purchase. And if through your link somebody purchase this event ticket, you will get 200 rupee commission, which you can check out in this commission history. Once somebody purchase from your account, and that you can also pay out by giving your bank account detail in this particular payout settings. Account detail,